What's up everyone, I'm Roxy, and if you've been following this channel for a while, you would remember that I used to do a lot of plan with me videos. You can actually search all of my planner videos on my channel and you'll see how many I used to do. So with that being said, I'm going to share with you 7 ways that you will actually want to use your planner. So my first tip on how to want to use a planner is to actually get a planner that you like and that you're inspired by. So there are so many planners that are available. I have so many that I've used in the past. I've used happy planners, bandos, cheap dollar store planners. I have used so many different types of planners. There are also different sizes of planners, which I will talk about in a little bit. Having a planner that inspires me, it looks pretty, it's very functional as well, really inspires me to go into my planner every day and write in it and get my life on track. So tip number 2 is to decorate your planner. That is going to inspire you so much to get into your planner and plan. Instead of just black and white pages, if you're into that, that is all good, girl, you go. But if you're not really into black and white pages and you want to liven up your spread, there's so many different ways nowadays, that rhymed, that you can actually decorate your planner. Patterned paper, gift paper even. I actually did a plan with me with gift paper once. And there are so many free ways that you can decorate your planner as well by going online and getting free printables. So I will actually list some of my favorite free printable websites down below where you can go ahead and download like stickers and journal cards, washi tape. You can find those online for free. So don't feel like if you just have to stick to one boring spread. There's so much inspiration around. My third tip is to experiment all the time with different types of layouts until you find one that you like. For instance, if you are a really creative person, you might not like a traditional planner that is confined with boxes or lines or something. You might like a bullet journal. And if you're someone who likes a structured format, there are horizontal planners as well as vertical planners. So you just really have to go on what you like and what you feel comfortable with. Or like I said, just experiment until you find something that you like. Tip number 4 is to get free things online. And I did mention it in one of my tips, but girl, there's so many things that you can get for free online and you won't have to break the bank by doing it.
So these are my 2 ring planners that you see here, and it's so cool because I actually got these inserts online and for free. So these are how the 2 of them look, and you just have to go online and just search up free printables for your planner. And this is from Miss Wenda, and I will link her the website down below so that you can get it out. But as you can see, I was able to create a whole entire planner from just free inserts that were available online, which I think is so amazing. And I mean, this is what I used for a really long time when I didn't have inserts, because to buy inserts for these types of planners are really expensive sometimes. So I mean, they're really cute and I absolutely love how they turned out in my planner.
You can use your printer right at home and get so many beautiful pictures for scrapbooking or just beautiful quotes online, like those Tumblr quotes. That's what I would actually search, that you can print and add to your planner instead of spending a ton of money on store-bought items. The next tip is to set a planner date. So this is basically you are dating your planner. And what I mean by this is set one day a week, and for me, my day is Sunday. So every single Sunday I sit down and I plan my entire week. I decorate it with washi tape and stickers and journal cards, and I fill in everything I know I have to do. And obviously as the week goes along, I will continue to fill it in. So when you set a date for your planner, you are consciously making a decision to actually plan and use your planner. If you don't set a planner date, then chances are your planner is just going to stay on your desk and not get used. So always remember to set a day. Maybe yours is Monday, maybe yours is Friday, whatever suits you. Be sure to set a specific time to plan and you'll find yourself being more drawn and motivated to use your planner. My next tip is to carry it around wherever you're going. So this is where that size option I was talking about in my earlier point now is going to make some sense. So if you go to work or if you go to school, chances are you're going to need a big planner or not. It just really depends on what you use and what you're comfortable with. For me, I love my big planner and I always keep it in my work bag. When you carry around your planner and it's with you in your bag and everywhere you go, obviously you will feel more inspired. Whenever something comes up or whenever you have something to do, it will make you want to write in it, and it's already right in your bag. So it's so easy to just take it out of your bag and use it. If you are not in school or if you're not in work or if you simply just like a smaller size planner, then make sure and get a planner that suits you and that is small enough for you to carry about. My work bag is pretty big, and I actually did a video on my channel with that, and that means I can carry a big planner, and that's just what I personally like. But if you wanted something smaller to fit in your personal bag, then definitely make sure and choose a planner that is smaller, so you will want to carry it around and you'll be able to carry it around easily without worrying that it's too big to fit. My last tip is to not be afraid to try new things. And if you are looking for inspiration to try new things, my favorite place is Pinterest. I love using Pinterest to find planner layouts. I actually do have my Plan with Roxy Pinterest board that I will leave down below, so you can go and follow it and check it out if you want some planner inspiration. I get so many ideas from planner girls on Instagram as well, and from on YouTube as well. I will leave their links down below so you can go ahead and check them out if that is something that you want. But that's where I get a lot of inspiration, and I feel so excited to plan. Like when I watch a plan with me video or a new planner spread or something like that, I get so excited and I want to plan. So don't be afraid to Google and get inspiration from other people who are planning, because then you'll see what's out there. And I'm getting so excited just thinking about it, because I know how much inspiration I personally get, and I want you to get inspiration as well. So down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you liked it, and if you want to see more videos like these. And I'm so happy to be back and do my planner videos, and I hope that you guys are gonna like it as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next Plan with Me video. Bye. Mwah.